Hola, most progresso has been made. Anyways, I'm using my fancy kitchen knife to whittle this down. Finally. To a good stopping point. Ready for the head. Haha. Sounded bad? Don't care. Anyways, for all you sexual innuendo freaks, you know who you are. Anyways, so nice. That didn't work. Worked the first time, that's all that matters. So, you want it to go on. Notice the curve in its handle, which is freaking sweet. Ergonomic before its time. Head must go on. There seems to be a little bit, I think, it must be a freaking optical illusion or something. I'm going to be losing my mind. Anyways, yeah, it's about halfway through this sucker. That is pretty tight. And I think we're going to be able to go ahead and, you know, just to be safe, we might give it to me. Why not? Come here, bastard. Anyways, it is so close. It's not funny. Feel like I should be in a pioneer days whittling a little horse out of something, you know, a piece of driftwood. Anyways, like I said, I'm trying to get down to like millimeters without using anything to measure, which is insane, but fitting. Anyways, it is almost there. It's got to be so close. I don't want to have to pound on too much. But after about an hour's worth of whittling and, you know, chiseling and having a good old time, I'm about to attach this sun gun and have a new axe to swing and hopefully not break this time. Alright. Don't lose an eye. Should probably have eye protection. But, oh, that's for pansies. Anyways, actually it's for smart people. This does not look right to me. That does not look right to me. This on the other hand does. And yes, that is better. It starts down on there pretty good. And as you can see, it's about three quarters of the way in there. Probably. I can live with that. Well, kind of want to, like this surface here is not good. Freaking balsa wood table, you know, shatter. You look at it. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the vise. Which has been helpful. Hold on to things. Be able to use both hands. Make sure you got it real tight and bolted to your workstation. I don't. Once again, I've got it jacked up with little shims made of wood that I freaking glanced off of other wood when I missed the other time. Ha! Anyway. It's going to be really snug. I don't want to have to use a nail. Like cheating. So very close. Okay, a few more power hits here, and Magnuson's going to bed. Holy shit! Well, that one actually fell into another dimension. We'll never see it again. But I got another one right here, and we're almost there. don't think that's going anywhere. Just to be safe, I'm going to give it a little down here on the floor. And with the spacer that was already in there, me likey. That ain't never going anywhere. It's done. Whoa! Ready to cut some wood. I'm gonna cut these right now. Check it out. See if we can get you in on this wood cutting garbage. This is kind of my thing. I can't operate these for nothing now. You know. I can't do it. Anyways, we'll just put you right here. How about that? Maybe you can see. I'm propping this thing up, I swear to God. Alright. I'm semi-happy with that. Here's a short little fatty piece. I brought home some wet stuff and splitting it, letting the moisture out and dry. This thing's shot. Anyways, this is the culmination of these videos, and if you've been waiting for a big, you know, apocalyptic ending,